So we will start with the answer. What is client turnover? What do you mean by turnover, my dear students? What do you mean by turnover? See, turnover means to turning something, to turning someone's mind, isn't it? So that is what is the client turnover. That means the client will turn over. Now, where this client will turn over, why this client will turn over, these are questions we will be seeing now. Okay. So first, what is that we are supposed to know the reasons. Why does the client leave our account, leave our businesses and move to the another business accounts or to the other another advertisers? Why does the clients do such? Okay. So here, first of all, first we will see what are the reasons why does the clients get turnover. See, client turnover is a situation that arises where an existing client leaves the agency and joins the another agency. That is what is the client's turnover. Same as like employees turnover. When the employees will leave our company and the employee will join some another company, then that is known as employee turnover. Okay. At the same time, new client may contract the ad agency. Okay. So new client will come or they may not come. It depends. है ना? तो मतलब पुराने जाने के बाद नहीं नए आएंगे, इसकी श्योरिटी हमारे पास बहुत कम है. But client turnover means definitely the clients will leave your company and they will be moving to the another company. So now we will find out the reason why does they do so. What are the reasons why they do so? Number one is inadequate services. When the ad agency is not able to fulfill the requirement of the client, of the advertiser, okay, and the advertiser is not at all satisfied with the client's performance, that means you're going for the ad campaign and again that ad campaign is being failure. This is what is inadequate service. Okay. So first reason is inadequate services, where the agency is not able to meet the requirements of the client. Okay. Client may be wanting some additional services, some up-to-date services. Okay. And the ad agency which the client is preferring is not able to give it, is not able to give up-to-mark services. That time, the client will switch to the another ad. Second is dissatisfaction. When client is not at all satisfied with the services which is being provided by the advertisement agency. Okay, that is what is dissatisfaction. हम satisfied नहीं है. Whatever data they are providing, whatever statistics they are providing, whatever illustrations they are doing, we are not at all satisfied. That moment of time, we can cancel our contract. And then the client will definitely move to the another advertising agency. Next is change in personnel. Personnel means the human resources available with the advertisement agency. So if the advertisement agency changes the employee or recruits some another employee, that time also the chances are there that the new employees may not be able to meet the requirements of the client. And that can cause the reason of client turnover. Okay, so हमने जो नया स्टाफ अपॉइंट किया है जरूरी नहीं है कि वो स्टाफ जो है क्लाइंट को सेटिस्फाई कर सके, मींस जो भी एक्सपेक्टेशंस है. See, my dear students, it is not that everyone knows everything. सबको सब कुछ नहीं पता होता, isn't it? We are specialized in some field. So whenever the ad agency is appointing the employees, the human resource, ad agency should be very careful. Why? Because the human resource of the ad agency, they are the ones who will be performing. They are the ones who will be creating the ads. So see to it, if your existing staff is able to grab the account, retain them. क्या करना है हमें, उन्हें कैसे भी retain करना है, if they are able to grab the accounts. Okay, if you think that your employees is not able to meet the requirements, then you can change your employees. Because advertisement is all about creativity. It's all about up-to-date information, isn't it? So we need here creative people who could think beyond the imagination, who could think something new, who will give new ideas, new promotions to the client. Because we have seen in creative pitch, your first presentation can be your last presentation. So while preparing that pitch, while proposing to your customers, okay, you should be well versed with all the information, with all the promotional schemes. Next is change in location. There are possibility that the advertisement agency can change the location, or the client himself will change the location. So when location changes, that time also it becomes difficult for some of the agencies or some of the clients to communicate with each other, because advertisements needs communication. So change in location of office can also be the reason of client turnover, है ना? अगर एडवर्टाइजमेंट एजेंसी कोई और स्टेट में शिफ्ट हो गया, जैसे फॉर एग्जांपल अभी हम मुंबई में हैं, सो वी वेर ऑपरेटिंग फ्रॉम मुंबई, हमारा एडवर्टाइजमेंट एजेंसी भी बॉम्बे में है, एंड वी एज अ क्लाइंट वी आर आल्सो इन मुंबई. So if we are shifting our business to Pune, then that will not be convenient for us to communicate. Or if the, for example, advertisement agency is shifting to Gujarat, again that will be a problem. So change in location will also be the factor for clients turnover. Second is poor advertising campaign. The advertising campaign which you are placing or which you are presenting in front of clients, it may not be up to marks. That can also be the reason for client turnover. The misleading of ads, false statistics, false data, है ना? Yeah, over emphasis on data or statements, these all things will affect you. These all things will mislead the client as well as the customers. So this poor advertising campaign will not at all work. For example, here you can see this in this picture. It is an advertisement of a cold drink, isn't it? So here a child is drinking a cold drink, and we know the children below 3 years, cold drinks are not suitable for them. So this is what is the misleading of ad. So such type of campaigns will definitely a failure, isn't it? So this again the ad agency will have to see that the advertisement agency is not giving any false data, neither misleading any ads, neither any false statistics. Next is higher rates. If the advertisement agency is charging higher rates, remuneration or commission or compensation, anything. Okay. If the, see, nowadays customers are very, very smart. They compare the things, isn't it? जब हम भी जाते हैं particular shopping करने, then we compare कि एक shop पे कितना rate है, then what is the rate at the second and third, and then we finalize to a particular shop after comparing the rates, because we have mass audience, we have mass customers rather than the class customers. In India, we are having mass customers. So these mass customers, what they will be doing? They will be looking at the price. So in the same manner, when we are hiring an advertisement agency, we will be comparing the price. Which agency is giving us what rate of compensation? What are the commission charges? What are the media charges? So we will be comparing, and then only we will be finalizing one particular advertisement agency. See, companies like Dairy Milk, companies like Reliance, they always they will be preferring to a reputed advertisement agency for their campaign. Why? Because their rate does not matter. Their promotion matters, isn't it? What matters over there? Promotions. But you and me, when we are going to establish a new business, for us, the rate will matter. Because if the expenses, operating expenses will be high, then our cost of production will be high, isn't it? So your higher rate will also affect your clients to turnover. Next, reputation of the new agency. When we are talking about new advertisement agency, or even you as a new in the market, client as well as the ad agency, both the reputation matters. Here, see one more good thing they have said, brand. What is brand? What you say and how you behave. That is what is a brand. Reputation. What others say about you based on shared perception. That is what is your reputation. So this is very clear. समझ में आया आपको? Brand क्या है? Brand is what you say and how you behave. What is reputation? What others say about you based on your shared perception. So what you have given, what are your strategies and what you have said. Those things are also important. Next is difference of opinion. Okay, another thing is difference of opinion. As we have seen, this can be the reason where the client will not give you the business account. Why? Because difference of opinion will lead to think in two different ways. Difference of opinion kya hai? See here again, image will say you either yes or no. That is what is the difference of opinion for something, for anything. Either we will be saying yes or we will be saying no. There are only two answers, है ना? या तो हम हाँ बोले या तो हम ना बोले. So when we are saying this yes or no opinion, that yes or no opinion should be sought out there itself. It is very, very important. Why? Because अगर हमने sort out नहीं किया, then there will be a conflict between the ad agency and the client or any of the representative. किसी भी representative के, either the ad agency representative or the client representative, they will be having difference of opinion. That means the thinking will be different and they may not agree to a certain point. For example, media rates. ठीक है, client को media rates high लग रहा है, and client is not agreed on that. So then what will happen? If client is not agreed on the media rate, then the client will not give you the business. और ad agency का representative उसे sort out ही नहीं कर रहा है ना? Sometimes rate should be fluctuated. अगर आपको business चाहिए तो क्या करना होगा फिर आपको? You will have to somewhere adjust. When you are going to be rigid, then that rigidity will not work. अगर आपको business करना है तो आप इतना rigid नहीं रह सकते. Somewhere you will have to compromise. Somewhere you will have to adjust with something. And then only you will get a good business. Isn't it? For example, when we go to buy a vegetables, so what we do, we start bargaining. अगर कोई एकदम rigid होकर बोलता है नहीं 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 मिलेगा, नहीं दे रहे, so what we do? Immediately we move from there, isn't it? तो shop से हम move होकर दूसरे shop पे चले जाते हैं. Because we know we are having the opportunities as a customer. There are so many sellers in the market. In the same manner, there are so many ad agencies. So the client knows if I am not accepting, if I'm not giving business to this ad agency, I can move on for the another one. Okay, so these were some of the reasons why the clients move to the another ad agencies. ठीक है, अब मूव ना हो उसके लिए हम लोग क्या करेंगे? What are the ways for avoiding client turnover? What are the ways for avoiding clients turnover? Number one is mutual trust and respect. The ad agency as well as the client should have mutual trust and respect to each other. अगर हम trust नहीं करेंगे, so that okay, my ad agency will give me the best advertisement campaign, a best illustration, then what will happen? You cannot go ahead. आप में फिर वो conflict अपने अंदर ही रहेगा. अच्छा present करेगा, नहीं करेगा. Let the ad agency be given a one chance, isn't it? So we should have mutual trust and respect. Second is right compensation. Whatever fees is being charged by the advertisement agency, that should be correct. It should not be neither too high nor too low. High hoga to kya hoga? Client will not give you the business. Low hoga to then it will be a loss to the advertisement agencies. So we should have a proper compensation ratio and rates. Next is credit to the client. This is also important, my dear students. Always we should not take the credit for ourselves. As an ad agency नहीं बोलना चाहिए no कि मैंने ही अच्छा business किया है, मैंने ही अच्छा presentation किया है. See, client has given you the business, client has given you the opportunity, and then you have worked on that. So the whatever benefit the ad agency is getting, whatever credit the ad agency is getting, that credit should be shared with the client also. It can be reduction in the fees, it can be reduction in the charges, okay, or reduction in upcoming ads, whatever, but share the credit with the client. Next is meetings. Always we should have the meeting with the client. Regular and frequent meeting help us to get the clear idea. Okay, help us to sort out the differences, help us to know the views of each other. So there should be a regular meeting, and this we have seen. Meeting should always be initiated by the ad agency. Client will not come to you, you will have to go to the client. So being as an ad agency, always you should organize a meeting. Always you should try to talk to your clients and know their views. Next is rapport. Have a good rapport with the client representative or with the client. Have some informal meetings. See, informal meetings ये नहीं है कि आप उसके घर जाओ, वो आपके घर आए. No, not in this way. You can meet at public places. You can have a cup of coffee. अब now public places don't say that कि मैडम garden में मिलना है, बस में मिलना है, बस स्टॉप में मिलना है, ये सारे public places है. No, go to a good cafeteria where you will be having crowd of people, isn't it? So in such a way, some informal meetings, especially for girls, with the safety, to have a rapport with your client so that they will be comfortable with you and they will share their views freely so that you can incorporate in the advertisement. Then sorting out of differences. Whatever differences is there between you and your client, sort out there itself. So that while signing a contract, nothing will be there in your mind as well as in your client's mind. Right? No negativity, no negative points will be there, isn't it? No negative of opinion will be there. So whatever differences are there, sort out before you're signing your contract. Then services on time, most important. If your client has trusted you, if your client has given you the opportunity, okay, then give the services on time. Give them the best service, most important, on time services, especially for the seasonal goods. Season निकलने के बाद आप advertisement करोगे, then there will be no use of that. So if the client has given you the opportunity, prove yourself, give them the best services and on time services. Schedule your advertisement in such a way that you will be performing well, you will be presenting well, and you will be giving them the services on time. So these are some of the ways which you can follow and grab the opportunity, grab your business account, and make sure that clients are not turnover. See, my dear students, clients अगर आप switch होते रहेंगे, new clients आते रहेंगे, then it will not give a good reputation of your company in the market. हमें लगता है न्यू क्लाइंट्स आने से न्यू बिजनेस मिलेगा, न्यू बिजनेस जरूर मिलेगा, आप चार्जेस हाई भी ले लोगे, but what will happen here, the reputation will be down. Now why the reputation will be down? See, people will be seeing to it. How many clients are attached to you from how many years? If I will say, okay, I have only 5 clients that are working with me since last 10 years, rest all are new, that will not give a good impression. That will not give a good reputation in the market. Always you should try to retain your clients, retain your customers. If I'm saying that I'm having 20 customers, out of 20, 15 customers are since with me from 10 years. That gives a good reputation. That means 5 are only new. Take new customers, take new clients, try them to join your advertisement agency. But at the same time, you will have to see that your existing customers are there with you. Every year, if you are going to get only new customers, if you're going to add only new customers, that will not give a good reputation of your advertisement agency or your business in the market. Okay, so these are the reasons why the clients move, and these are the ways why how you will be able to grab your client.